Okay, hello dear students. Today we'll start some problem from third unit. Okay, so the first problem is the nodal coordinate of triangular element as shown in figure. The x coordinate of interior point P is 3.3 and shape function n1 is equal to 0.3. Determine n2 and n3 and y coordinate of P. So in image, the first point represents 1 and 2. These are the x and y coordinate. Second point represents 5, 3. Third point represents 4, 6. And internal point P represents x coordinate is 3.3. So you have to find out the y coordinate of point P. Okay, so first write down the given. X1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 4, y3 is equal to 6, n1 is equal to 0.3 and x is equal to 3.3. So you have to find out n2, n3 and y coordinate. The first step is to find out the area of triangle. Okay, so the formula is A is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 x1 y1, 1 x2 y2, 1 x3 y3. Okay, so in problem x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 is given, so just put these values in matrix. Then the area formula is x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 is equal to x3 in bracket y1 minus y2 and whole bracket divided by 2. So after solving this equation, so you will get the area, it's 6.5. Okay, so the second step is to find out the cofactors. Cofactors means, suppose you have to find out the cofactor for C11. Okay, so the C11 means you have to eliminate first row and first column from area matrix. From this matrix you have to eliminate first row first column, means C11 means you have to eliminate first row first column, first row first column. So we will get 5, 3 and 4, 6. We will get 5, 3, 4, 6. 5, 3, 4, 6. C12 means first row second column, first row second column. So we will get 1, 3, 1, 6. 1, 3, 1, 6. C13 first row third column, first row third column. So we will get 1, 5, 1, 4. 1, 5, 1, 4. Okay, so similarly you have to calculate C21, C22 and C23. But in cofactor you have to remember, you have to change your signs in C12, C21 and C23. Okay, so if 6 minus 3, 6 into 1, 6 minus 3 into 1, okay, so we'll get 3, but out of matrix there is a minus sign, so your answer will be minus 3. Similar procedure for C21, 6 minus 8, okay, so you'll get minus 2, minus 2 minus, so it's a positive 2, okay. C23, 4 minus 3, okay, 4 minus 1 is 3, minus sign represents your minus 3. Okay, so similarly you have to calculate C11, C12, C13, C21, C22 and C23. The next step is to find out the y coordinate of point P. For this you required n1, n2. So what is the formula for n1? The n1 is equal to 1 by 2a. Okay, so in bracket C11 plus x C12 plus y C13. Okay, so in problem n1 is mentioned. Okay, n1 is mentioned. Area is find, you have already find in step 1. Then here the C11 C12 and C13 is you have calculated. Just put x value. Okay, so in problem the x is 3.3, then y as it is. After solving these equations you will get y is equal to 4.2. Okay, for n2 1 upon 2a c21 plus x c22 plus y c23. Okay, then area is you have already found out, you have already solved, calculated area. Then x, okay, in problem x is mentioned. Okay, in previous step you have calculated y. Okay, then c21 c22 and c23 already you have found out in step 2. Okay, so just put these values in n2, so we'll get n2 is equal to 0.2. Okay, then to calculate n3, the formula for n3 is n1 plus n2, n1 plus n2 plus n3 is equal to 1, means n3 is equal to 1 minus in bracket n1 plus n2. Okay, so already you have found out n2. Okay, so in problem n1 is given, so put these values, so we will get 0.5. n3 is equal to 0.5. Okay, y is equal to 4.2 and n2 is equal to 0.2, n3 is equal to 0.5. Next problem is a triangular element has nodal coordinate 10, 10, 40, 20, 30, 50 for nodes 1, 2, 3 respectively for point P inside triangle. For point P inside triangle, determine x and y coordinate if shape function n1 and n2 are 0.15 and 0.25 respectively. Okay, so in problem there is no any image or reference for problem. So in problem in first, second, third points with coordinate are represented. So x1 y1 is equal to 10, 10, x2 y2 is equal to 40, 20, x3 y3 is equal to 30, 50, n1 is equal to 0.15, n2 is equal to 0.25. So you have to find out the interior point P, x and y coordinate. So area is equal to 1 by 2, 1 x1 y1, 1 x2 y2, 1 x3 y3. Okay, so in problem x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 is given. So put these values in matrix. Then put these values in area formula. x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 whole bracket divided by 2. So we will get area is equal to 500. Next step is to find out the cofactor. Okay, so the cofactor C11, okay, means eliminate first row, first column. Eliminate first row, first column from this matrix. So we'll get 40, 20, 30, 50. 40, 20, 30, 50. Okay, simple. C12, eliminate first row, second column. Eliminate first row, second column. So we'll get 120, 150. 120, 150. Okay, similarly, calculate C13, C21, C22 and C23. Please remember, you have to change the signs of C12, C21 and C23. Okay, after finding cofactor, the next step is to find the x and y coordinate of point P. To find x and y coordinate of point P. So the n1 is equal to 1 divided by 2a, okay, 1 divided by 2a, c11 plus x c21, c12 plus y c13, okay. So n1 is given in problem, area is 500, so 2a is equal to 1000, c11, c12, c13 already calculated, so put x is equal to as it is, y is equal to as it is, so you will get 3x plus y is equal to 125, okay. So you will get this equation, okay. Then n2 is equal to, put these values, area n2, c21, c22, c23, so you will get the equation 4x minus 2y is equal to 27, okay. After solving this equation, you will get x is equal to 27.5 and y is equal to 41.9, okay. So these are the two types. So in the first problem, n1 is given and x coordinate is given, you have to calculate n2, n3 and y coordinate. In second problem, n1, n2 is given, you have to calculate x and y coordinate of point P, okay. So these are the two types of problem in unit 3, okay, simple. So please remember, you have to change your signs C12, C21 and C23, okay. So in next lecture we will see some theory from unit 3rd, okay. So we stop here. Thank you.